it's kitten time! Okay guys, so we're making this big.
These are the maybes.
These are the maybes.
We don't know
Where's
if we're
the
going to
cup
put
at?
it over there.
Okay, so guys,
Here, I'll show you the maybes up close. Here is the first little maybe. Second maybe. Oh. And third maybe. And almost dropped it. Fourth maybe.
we have just like a tad bit more of that in another bottle. But
Trying to grab all the other maybes.
Madison, that's gonna spill. That's spilling on the bed. Oops. It's okay, guys. Okay, so
It doesn't matter.
this one is a dropper, the blue dot
It's a dropper.
dropper, and then this one,
It's a pourer.
this red, it has a pour. So we have to. So we have to
Use a.
suck it up with this, and then
Yeah, I'll go
to
show 'em.
unstain it, we have to get some water, suck it up, and spit it out. Okay? So, yeah. We're going to make our slime now.
I'm good at it.
You guys don't know how heavy this is. Unless you made it, but,
Ooh, there's little glitter pieces in there.
you know. This don't want to open.
Let me try.
So, we will be back when we get it open. Bye. Okay, guys, so my mom just opened it. It was way easier for her, but I mean, like, it's so hard. I need to sit down. Okay, so, Mom,
I'm gonna get the ends like this.
Okay, pour. Whoa.
It's so pretty. Let's do you want to go upside down?
No. I don't want to.
Okay, your turn. You know, we gotta be good cousins and both go. I'm gonna sort of help. You know, like doing that.
Okay, Madison, stop. Okay. Stop.
Oh, do I have your hair?
No, just stop it. Just stop pouring it. Because I need to just like
Get it over there.
squeeze it now. Oh, good.
That's a good squeeze.
I wish I could put this up closer, but you guys are on my top bunk in the railing. Okay, we're good. And we don't have to get every drip like I did with my tiny bottles.
Here, while you're doing the other stuff, I'm just gonna keep it here, okay?
Okay. Now we have 2 things of stapler. Oh, I forgot to get a utensil.
A giant spoon? I
Oh,
was just about to say we could just go in with our hands.
no! She's crazy. Okay, so I'll be back when I get something to stir with.
Is it alright?
Okay, yeah, I know it's a lot, but
We got utensils.
oh, we got big spoons.
Big spoons.
Okay, now I'm just gonna.
Now, wait, do we need shaving cream?
No, we're not gonna. That's our maybes. And it.
I know this is the boring part.
Oh, guys, yeah. Wait, put my spoon, pretty please. We will get back. We will get back to you guys.
Whenever it's done.
Yeah, whenever it's done. So see you later.
Bye.
Okay,
Okay,
guys.
so it's getting together, but like sort of not.
If you were up close, you could see my piece coming together so much.
Yeah, we're like halving it, sort of. It looks like we're having it, but we're actually not going to.
And my mom here is to help us with making the slime. See, look.
She is making sure we do not make a mess.
Ooh, I added too much.
I poked it.
I know. She sort of spilled some of it when it was still sticky on my
Hand.
hand.
I finished her sins. Can we just go in with our hands now?
No.
Dang it.